Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have Vibiemme Espresso machine. Now for this machine we only did a tune-up. We replaced the gasket of the machine as well as the shower head. As you can see, these ones are pretty dirty. So we end up replacing that, deep cleaning pretty much everything around the group head, descaling the machine. There was a lot of scale on this machine. It took a couple of tanks to completely clean the entire boiler, but now the machine is descaled. Has an excellent pressure with the steamer as well as with the hot water. And now we're gonna do a shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind sense, and unfortunately I did not. You can see some water dripping already there, and we're just gonna see the coffee coming out over here. The grind needs to be more finer. This is gonna stop at 1.5 ounces. Yeah, it definitely needs more coffee and the grind to be more finer. As you can see, the shower head stream is coming out really nice. And there you have it, Vibiemme working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.